Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Struggling with constipation or feeling bloated and heavy? Most people don't realize that your colon has a natural rhythm, and with the right massage you can actually stimulate it to move things along. Stay until the end, because I'll show you a simple self-massage you can do at home that relieves constipation in minutes. No medication needed. Let's walk through it step by step. First, a quick note on why this works. Constipation often comes from slow colon motility, trapped gas, stress, or dehydration. But here's the good news. A few easy massage techniques can help your colon do its job naturally. First, brushing forward. Place your hands on your abdomen and gently brush from back to front, 5 to 10 times to wake up the colon. Next, clockwise massage. Stack your hands and move in a clockwise circle, up the right side, across under the ribs, down the left. Repeat 5 to 10 strokes. Then use your fingers to make small clockwise circles along the colon path. Keep pressure gentle. Think rhythm, not force. Now sacrum stimulation. Rub up and down over the sacrum to activate nerves that can trigger the urge to go. Brushing forward, clockwise massage, small circles and sacrum work together. Repeat each 5 to 10 times. Disclaimer: this method is for constipation or trapped gas. Do not use if you have diarrhea or certain bowel conditions. Always check with your healthcare provider first. Try a full cycle now, 5 to 10 gentle passes, and rest when you feel relief. Many people feel relief in minutes. Remember, hydration and gentle movement help maintain results. Now a quick note on why this also helps bloating and lymph flow. This massage gently stimulates lymphatic movement and circulation, helping reduce trapped fluid and bloating. If this is helpful, make sure you keep watching, and like this video for more natural health tips. This simple self-colon massage can improve digestion, relieve constipation, and even support circulation and detox. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.